How to abbreviate numbers in Excel. Hello, Microsoft Excel users. Do you want to convert abbreviate numbers in Excel? Suppose, if you have a list of large numbers typed in Excel and now you want to abbreviate them, you can see this tutorial for the details. You can customize the number formatting in the Format Cells dialog. First, select the numbers you need to abbreviate and right-click to select Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog, click Number and go to Custom and type this number's formula into Type text box. Click OK to close dialog. That's it. You have successfully converted abbreviated numbers in Excel worksheet. For your information, if you just need to abbreviate the large number, 1000 as K, or million as M, you can type #K or #M into the text box. And if you want to display much larger number like 12 billion or 12 trillion as 12B or 12T, you need to type #B or #T. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to buy Kutools for Excel, you can find Kutools download link in video description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more update on Microsoft Excel tutorials and technical videos.